Excuse me, I think I left my glasses over here. Oh, these are squishy. Oh, I like how they feel in my paws. What? Why are you mad? Hey, I was just... Want to smell my butt? What? This is where I like to rest my butt. It's very calming. And this is where I like to do my afternoon stretches. It's very calming. Excuse us, just coming through. Hope you're not busy. Oh, hey, where are you going? I'm going over to this side. Well,
excuse me.
I'm just going to hang out. Hey, stop pushing me. Stop pushing me. You want to smell my butt? Here's my butt.